Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a little messy because I just got home from Costco, one of my favorite stores. Yes, sometimes it can be a little dangerous because we often buy more than we thought we were going to buy, but it will help us on our health journey to stay on track and motivated and inspired to make delicious recipes, okay? Before I get started on showing you all my food finds, and some of them are new that I haven't tried actually, which I love to do. I always like to find different things that makes it interesting and not boring eating the same foods over and over again, right? So remember to, if you haven't already, subscribed, ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my newest videos, okay, that are published. And of course, sharing is caring. Let other people know about my YouTube channel. Tag me when you make my recipes. And of course, comment, tell me what you think if you change things up, all right? So let's get started on my Costco grocery haul. I absolutely love Raos marinara. I find that it lasts longer than some of the other marinaras. I have my own marinara, of course, on my YouTube channel, but sometimes we want something quick and easy. I use it in my pizzas, my panzos, my casseroles, on veggies. They're great just on some crackers with some cheese you can do. You can put it in your eggs, your omelets. Okay, so, and you can find my recipes, of course, as I mentioned. I was so excited because garlic plus seasoning is my all-time favorite. And I had no idea that they had the large one at Costco. So I was very excited. These are the things that make me happy. I needed more garlic powder, and I like buying things that are large because they last longer. I love making, like I said, my own marinaras and sauces, and I love the La San Marzano, and I buy the tins because then you can make as much as you want. If you have those big, huge tins, they're good too if you're making a big sauce, but these are absolutely delicious. They're from Italy, and I highly recommend them. Now, I haven't tried these. They're the popcorners, and they're the salted veggie crisps. What I liked about it, and I always check the nutritional information, and I never eat the full amount. I mean, even if you do, it's not that bad. But I usually eat about 25 grams or 28 grams. So it would be about 120 calories, 0.5 saturated fats, low in sugar. If I eat half is only 1 gram, and higher in protein. Okay, so if you've tried them, let me know what you think. Of course, I love tuna, and I bought their tuna. I like the white tuna for, I just always have in water because then it's less fat, and I like making my tuna patties, tuna casserole, tuna salad. It's amazing just to add in your salad, high protein and 0 fat. Now, for those of you that don't know about this amazing chicken, it is the pepper and garlic seasoning chicken. I absolutely love this chicken. All you have to do is bake it in the oven. Huge pieces of chicken breast, juicy, delicious, great with any kind of salad or veggie or potato or pasta or stir fry. And I have lots of recipes on my YouTube channel because you should have a well-balanced meal, right? So half your plate veggies, high protein and a lower carb, or, just like about a half a cup of carbs, whatever. You can make mashed potatoes, whatever you like, but don't, not include every food group. Now, I've never tried these buffalo chicken flings. I've heard about them, and I'm very excited to try them. And there's no bones in them, so I've been told that they're really good. So, and they're gluten-free and no artificial flavors. So that's new. I think I can cut them up and put them in my salad or just eat them as a snack, which would be good because eating high protein for a snack will keep you satisfied longer. The other thing that I love are my turkey bites, and I add them to my egg bites, my quiches, my crustless quiches you can, or just as a snack, you can throw them on your little mini pizzas. I make tortilla pizzas or my 2-ingredient dough pizzas, right? So they're versatile and super delicious. Now, my husband and I buy this as a special treat, and that is their chicken pot pie. Huge pieces of white chicken that are super delicious. And, again, it's, not what you eat, it's how much you eat as well. So everything in moderation. I don't take a huge piece and then we freeze the rest of it. We cut it up into small pieces. And and I bought some vitamin D because we should have vitamins. Now that has nothing to do with meal planning. This is my favorite all-time tzatziki, okay? And I love it because it's just so nice and rich and thick and definitely low in sugar, lower, not that bad in fat calories. So I enjoy this on my celery sticks. Hello. I like to dip my chicken, my fish in it. All right. It's just super delicious and you can have it with so many meals as a dip for just veggies. All right. And, you can experiment. Sometimes, I bought this for my daughter, and sometimes I like to put a little bit of light cream in my coffee. I'm not going to lie. But I also use it to make some sauces, some like cream sauces, which are really easy to make. And asparagus. Asparagus, I absolutely love to either steam it or barbecue it or grill it, add it to my stir fries, add it to my quiche, to my egg bites. Just so delicious. And I have lots of recipes for that as well. And I mentioned my celery. I put that in my tuna, but I love just munching on celery. You could add some cheese to it or some peanut butter or PB2. And just to have around, and they're already packaged nicely. Okay, so another thing that I love are sugar snap peas. I haven't bought those in a while, and I love adding those to my salads and to my stir fries. You can check out those recipes, but also just as a snack, really healthy, high in fiber, and really super delicious. Just like these mini cucumbers, I add them to my salads. I eat them just as a snack. You could put some like vinegar or balsamic vinegar over them, and they're super delicious. They're just the mini ones that I bought today. All right, and they come in a nice package. And of course, my spring mix that I love to add for my salads. Now, I haven't bought this in a very long time. My husband loves bruschetta, and that's just another light side dish. I mean, you can make it yourself. I've made it myself, but sometimes, like I said, we want something that's easy to just grab. You can put them on your tortillas. You could make my recipe. I have the tortilla chips that you can check out. All right, or you can just have them on a cracker or a small piece of toast. And this is super delicious. Cara oranges are my all-time favorite. Super delicious and satisfying. And I love having those. I throw them in my salad. I just have them as a good, healthy snack. Blackberries were on special, so I bought some blackberries. And I love lemons in lots of my recipes and even my oranges. I like to grate the zest and squeeze the juice from my lemon or my orange in lots of my different recipes, my banana bread or my muffin recipes or my sauces or even in my salad dressings. Okay, so that's another idea to add fresh lemon. And I love making hot lemonade. It just tastes so good and it just clears you out. Okay, in case you were wondering. So lots and lots of groceries will keep you on track. Really important to have all the necessary things in your house. And you can see that I also, not from Costco, but I bought some other things the other day, and I like to have lots of fresh fruits, lots of fresh vegetables. You have to go shopping regularly. I'm not going to lie, it's not always easy, but it's worth it when you feel good, right? So, me again. So that's it. Those are my groceries from Costco. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please comment, let me know what you think. If you've made some of my recipes, like I said, or used some of these products that I haven't used before, let me know how they are. I can't wait to try some of them. I always like to change things up because that is helpful. You know, variety is the spice of life, and it will keep you on track because our body will get used to the same food. So check out lots of my recipes. And again, hope you're doing well. Let me know, and take care. Mwah. Bye for now.